Hey guys, this is the XRP Cowboy. I'm really hurting my ear doing that, and it was like the worst fucking rug burn with like the staples for a carpet around the wall grinding into my fucking ear. That really hurt trying to spin it, but Billy wants to show his fucking piece in the Middle East, motherfucker, West Side shit. But let's get into this. Hey guys, this is the XRP Cowboy. Hey, this is Billy. But I really want to say some things about the price action of Bitcoin and XRP in the whole crypto space, because I think it's beautiful. Fucking Billy, what are you? I want fucking straight lines. I want fucking God candles. I want fucking shit that runs through the moon and penetrates the surface and keeps going out the other side, bumps into Mars, and it's looking for the fucking sun or the edge of the galaxy shit. And you're like, this is good. Well, you gotta look at it from a charting perspective. When things go up in a straight line, cowboy, if you look at their long-term moving average, they're limited and the risk is high. But when they correct and come back down a little bit, it's a healthy correction, and it only needs one narrative to make that happen, to give people a reason to take profits, like maybe a World War III shit, right? But that's not why. I mean, that's why, but it could have been a fucking dog got bit by an alligator on a Disney stock, on a Disney fucking whatever resort. I mean, they're just dumb reasons. It doesn't affect the company, and their insurance is going to take care of the fucking dead kid that was eaten by the alligator. That's what really happened. And I sold all my shares because I was a newbie, and I thought that kind of thing mattered to a company when someone died, and it should affect the stock, and it didn't. In fact, it went up, and I sold it. I mean, this is a fucked up world we live in. Once you get beat down, west fucking side, motherfuckers, 5-4 scissors right here. But it's like fucking, this is a channel, and a good friend of mine the other day, Jay, I'll say, Sam I am, said, what you do is art. And I always felt that way. And I figured there's going to be some assholes that don't understand it because they don't have a creative mind or a high, they don't, intellectually, they're not really smart. They're just fucking average. And that's not who watches my channel. So I'm going to get some shit, but the bottom line is, I'm going to tell you what happened to me this year and where I am with my mind and why I'm so fucking focused. This real life shit. And I'm going to play a song, and it's beautiful. Listen to every word, because it's beautiful. And I'm going to, while I'm singing, it's going to mess it up, and it's going to probably bring it down a level. But let's do this. Computer, play. I don't know the song, but I have lyrics on my Alexa. Gotta read it. I can't see it. Computer, volume up to 8. Computer, go back 30. Computer, go back 30 seconds. I have a timer to bring the volume down. Well, the moon in New York tonight is beautiful. I wish you were around to see it too. I'm so happy I could cry. Why'd my best friend have to die like that? Shame when people ain't around to see. They smile at the nurture, their laughter they breathe. These people don't know me, and I'm not about to show them who I am. And I grew up on a corner in Philadelphia. She said, boy, there ain't no real use in helping you. The only thing you ever owned were high hopes and a pocket comb, you fool. So don't ask like you know who I am, 'cause the more I explain, the less you'll understand. Them assholes downtown are the only ones around who even try. So look up tonight. Look up tonight. 'Cause she's shining and it'll be alright. 'Cause she's still smiling. The lights Computer off. I mean, that song is beautiful. Computer play. Listen to the words. These words are beautiful. And we're going to talk. Listen. You were fighting so hard, I knew you couldn't be alone. You had in my hand, I knew I had to be a man from that night. And I'll tell you all these stories one day. We'll laugh like we used to and waste the night away. You'll say, boy, how I've missed you, but son, I was with you this whole time. Look up tonight. The moon, she's shining. We'll be alright. Computer off. I just want to make a real quick point here. You know, there's a high probability that shit's about to fucking explode really fucking fast. Altcoins, XRP. Place your bets, boys. We're not betting about losing money. We're betting about how many X's your money gets. There's no losers in a second here, okay? I mean, I don't care if you fucking own Doggy Coin or some fucking, I don't fucking know. Fucking, I hate white people coin, you know? Sometimes I do too. You know, I hate fucking cracker coin, you know? I hate whitey coin. I'll fucking buy that fucking coin if it's a low market cap. The lower the market cap, the more I want to fucking own it when there's a bull run. Because all this shit fucking moves. And the lower the market cap coin you have, generally, I mean, it like every time moves the highest percentage. Unless you're the dumbest fucking person on earth, you know? I mean, or the most unlucky person, because it's not about intelligence with that shit. It's about, well, market cap is a form of intelligence, understanding that and recognize it, but it's just about fucking saying, I know this shit sucks, but I'm going to put money in it. It's a hard thing for me. But people think this is a bad fucking thing. You know, this drop in the price. But I'll tell you, if it would have moved to 110,000 a month ago, Bitcoin, it would probably be at like 33K right now. Things that move fucking straight line, the God candles people talk about, I mean, generally they end badly, okay? Because people buy at the top. They buy in the midpoint, and they crash so hard. But what Bitcoin's doing is beautiful. It's working in a trend line, you know, and it's correcting. And, you know, this is the truth. And this is the most important thing I'll say in this video. Take note. Cowboy and Billy agree on this. We get another 73K Bitcoin. It's not coming back. I mean, yeah, you could retest 69 for a second or two, and that's days or few. but it is gonna that this drop works as a spring, and it's gonna fucking throw it up in the air. We needed this. We chart TNA guys, tits and ass guys, technical analysts. We want this to happen. Because if it doesn't, we're waiting, for whatever we're investing to keep going and time on top. But the problem is if you don't time it just right, and we know to get out earlier than that, the good ones. But when you're trying to time a top that's like a fucking God candle, you're kind of like, if I miss this top and it drops in a second, I could lose so much fucking money. So you have to be very cautious. But when we're invested in something that's working inside a long-term channel, well, given the price correction to where after the ETF, but in midterm, I guess you could say, TNA channel. This is what we wanted. I mean, this is fucking beautiful. And we're way ahead of schedule with the Bitcoin price, historically speaking, with, retrieving previous all-time highs. I mean, that doesn't happen before happenings. So, and I would argue the happening, that'll take like $11 billion off the market of Bitcoin, which is huge. It's like a stock buyback. It's like pales in comparison to the ETF purchases, the supply per day. I mean, I know that'll start slowing down, but there's still a lot of people that are going to get into that. I was hacked like a huge quantity of XRP from Coinbase, and it was turned into USD, and they said we have no responsibility. They didn't want to work with us at all, and they leave us, like emails that said, "Thank you, we appreciate your business," real happy when we lost so much money. I mean, it really was a significant amount of money in XRP that was turned into USD that was supposed to be insured. And they're saying it's only insured if they get hacked. But I don't know. I'm not a fucking computer dude. So I don't really know if we got hacked and lost the money or if they got hacked. But because they're saying it wasn't them, okay, it's fine. It's not like somebody that worked for them couldn't like access our account, take money. But bottom line is, Coinbase is fucking, you can't win with them. Even if you deposit, what they're saying is even if we deposited USD and the accountant didn't put it into a crypto, we got lost, it's our fault. Because how do we prove that it wasn't them that got hacked or we're the ones? I mean, it's ridiculous. And I mean, I don't know. I mean, Coinbase, I don't know. But so now I'm like, I know our time is soon. And it's like, but the last year I've had to like sell like over 100K in crypto, XRP, to keep my fucking businesses afloat because this discretionary spending is really killing us. It's our customers. I own hair salons and private equity, financial advisor firm, Moon Investments, Strategies and Solutions, just so you know, name. But it's like, fuck, my salons, people are coming in every 4 months now instead of every 8 weeks like they used to on an average. They cut my business in half, and I just bought $1 million building. I mean, and I'm like, fuck, the burn sucks. I mean, can't believe I've sold so much XRP already, and I had so much taken from me from Coinbase. They don't give a fuck. Um, I don't know. But my thing is this. If we can get back to where we were a couple weeks ago with Bitcoin and XRP, and XRP is like something's going on. It wants to really push up right now based on the visuals on the TNA. Just what's happening in my mind, the visual emotions that come out from looking at it. So, and Bitcoin as well. I think we're gonna fucking win soon. You know, and believe me when I say this. If we're gonna crash, the way it happens is from a fucking God candle that keeps going up. The probabilities of this trading range we're in right now, that is so much more a higher percentage of meaning with the prices going up than the alternative of something just launching straight up. I mean, you can only move so many percentage points before you're considered a God candle, and it's destined to correct over 50%, which may not be that bad, but it's not a longevity move. It could crash again after that, or just play in a range. The range would take a significant longer amount of time to recover to where we need these prices to be. And I'm not saying weeks, it could be months, years. So we want crashes within a channel, okay? It really just refuels the upside and multiplies it. You guys, believe me or not, I don't care. But this is how I make money. It's how I make a living, actually. High risk, high reward, probabilities. What do you do when the probabilities are against you? Just saying. Love. Like, subscribe, leave a comment with your opinion.